guys, Nalani with Synthetic here. Today I'm going to show you how to make these Tae Kwon Do belt holders. I've been asked to make 4 of them to match the original. I'll show you how I get into replicating this pattern and how I get them to match the shape of this. All that coming up today.
First, take the belt out and see what we're looking at for the old board. Second step that we're going to do is cut the boards down to size. And then for the third step, you're going to go ahead and click that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel to get more videos on how to do fun renovation, crafts, and art projects using epoxy and other art materials like this video right here. Then, once we have it cut to the shapes that we need to, we're going to sand all the corners. This just makes it a bit easier for routering and also makes it easier for the epoxy to flow everywhere. Then we're going to make sure to coat everything in a nice Broadway black. Once all of the painting's done, we're going to get our white spray crackle and we're just going to shake that up and spray it all over our boards. Gives a nice effect. And then after that, you just want to make sure that you get all of the little extra spider webs that kind of form underneath it from using the spray crackle broken off. You want to make sure that your epoxy doesn't form any jaggedy spikes from gluing to the stray strands of crackle. Next, we're going to mix our epoxy. Super easy, just mix for a few minutes. Then we're going to pour it out over our boards. We're going to use a brush to brush it out evenly. The surface here is too small to really use a trowel. And once again, we're making sure to get all the edges and corners. Then we're going to torch out all our bubbles. And any extra epoxy that we have that's left over can be used in any molds that you want to. It's a nice way to make sure that you get the most out of any epoxy, because I've noticed that a lot of times you can accidentally have a little bit of leftover epoxy that you're not sure what to do with. If you go to my website, you'll find that I have a variety of molds on my website. They're not the same as I used here, but frankly, any molds are really nice to use leftover epoxy for. You can just pour it in, and then you can pop it out and have fun. Then we're going to bust out our drill press. Then we're going to put a wooden block underneath to make sure that we don't have any blowout when we're putting in the holes for the handles. Make sure to nail a wall mount to the back so that these boards can be easily hung up. Next, we're going to attach our handles to the boards. These ones you can get in a multi-pack at Home Depot. It's just 2 for a board. The client ended up loving these so much that we, in the end, made a total of 15 of these for her dojo. Then we take a step back and we admire our work. They're really nice. Line them all up here, and they look really, really good. They're really uniform with each other. Here they are, hung in the dojo. They look really nice. Here's Sue in the background of this clip. She's the owner of the dojo, and she's amazing. If you want to go to a really good Tae Kwon Do dojo, they're just off Craig Road in Las Vegas.
Well, I think that this is a major improvement. As you can see, it's a fair bit sturdier, thicker, and has a much cleaner, improved design. Both the handles appear to be an improvement from the original, as well as the design, in my opinion, is a bit more cleaned up. The glossier finish makes it easier to clean, as well as our hardware on the back is a much sturdier design than the one that was on the original.
It's been a while since I last posted a video on my channel. The reason why is because we were involved in a full redesign of my website. You can check it out here at stonethetic.com. If you want, you can read detailed step-by-step instructions on how to do these crafts on my website. You can also shop online for everything you need for your next project. There's also some unique color additives for the epoxy, and here's some of the molds that I was referring to earlier. Now that that's done, I'm back on this channel, and I'll be posting a lot of exciting new content coming up. If there's projects you'd like to see, let me know in the comments.
As always, thank you for watching. If you liked that video, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe to our channel to see more fun videos, and comment below if you like this project and other opinions and ideas of projects that we can do in the future. And from all of us here at Synthetic, built by you, built for less, built to last. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching!